Patch, Choco Patch. Choco Patch is eating rice with probiotic. You see that? Patch will be 2 months old on November 17. Patch, so the father of Patch is here, Panda. You see the father of Patch, Panda. Father of Patch, Patch is here. Patch is here. Patch is here. Patch wants to go out. Don't go out, Patch. Patch, come here, come here. Stay here. Your father, Panda, is here. See, Andre is also here. Oh, Andre is here. Andre is also here, Patch. Patch, don't go out. Father Panda is here. And Andre is also here. You see that? Andre is also here. Oh, Patch. Stay here, Patch. Stay there. Okay, Patch. Patch, where are you going, Patch? There's Oreo and Panda over there. Si Patch, nandyan na. Panda is over here. Panda. Oreo is over there. Oreo is over there and Panda. Oreo and Panda is over there. Panda. Oreo went up. Oreo went up. Oreo went up. Oreo went up. That Oreo went up. Patch is over there with my daughter Sheena. Panda and Oreo is over here, and Andre is relaxing over here. Andre is relaxing over here. See that? Andre is relaxing over here. Andre is relaxing. Panda and Oreo is over here. Panda and Oreo is over here. And Whiskas tuna flavor is over there. Whiskas tuna flavor is always ready for the cats. Anytime they are hungry, they will just come here and eat. And this is rice with pet food, probiotic with pet food with rice. And there's Andre drinking water. Andre is drinking water over there. Andre is drinking water. See that? Andre is drinking water. Andre is drinking. Saan si Patchy? Nandyan yun? Choco Patch. Andre is drinking water. Panda is over here. There's Oreo is over there. My daughter is over there with Patch. Makyat, Joy? Maka mahulog, Chin. Kunin mo lang. Bilog ang katawan yan. My daughter is saying Patch is climbing the stair already. Climbing the stairs. My daughter is saying Andre is over there walking. Andre is over there walking. Andre is over there walking. Shin, dali mo daw dito si Patch, Shin. Kunin mo, Shin, baka mahulog yan. Dali mo dito. There's Patch. There's Patch. Patch is over there. Andre, Patch, Oreo, and Panda. Andre, Patch, Oreo, and Panda. There's Patch. Patch will be 2 months old on Thursday, November 17. Patch will be 2 months old on Thursday, November 17. Oreo is over here, the brother of Patch. This is Oreo, the brother of Patch. And that's the father, Panda, over there. Panda, the father, is over here. Panda, the father of Patch. Choco Patch. Shin, si Patchin! Si Patch is over here with me. Patch. Go down, Patch. Go down. Go down, Patch. Come, Patch. You eat there, Patch. Eat, Patch. Come on, eat. Patch wants to go out. And Andrew is over here. Andrew is over here. See that? Oh, Patch. Come, Patch. Hey, Patch. Don't go out. Don't go out, Patch. See that? Andrew. Over there. Andrew is over there. Patch wants to go. Run. Patch wants to go out. Patch is running away. Andrew is over there. That, and Andre is over there. Place Patch here. Patch is on top of the chair. Patch is on top of the chair. Patch is on top of the chair. See that? And Andre is over there. Patch wants to jump. Not Patch wants to jump. Patch is on top of the chair. Patch is jumping. Oh, Andre run. There's Patch. And Andrew is over here. Andrew is over here. See that? Andrew is over here. Patch is there. Patch is there. Patch is running. Patch is there. Andrew is over here. That Andrew is over here. Patch. Patch, oh. Choco Patch. Choco Patch. Choco Patch will be 2 months old on November 17, Thursday. Patch will be 2 months old on Thursday, November 17. Patch is a big dog, big puppy. Patch is a big puppy, see that? Patch is a big puppy. Patch is a big puppy. Choco Patch. Choco Patch is a big puppy. The son of Agnes and Panda. The son of Agnes and Panda, Choco Patch, will be 2 months old on November 17. And Andrew is over here drinking water. Andrew is over here drinking water. Butang na eh. Kapoy na ka, butang na. Patch is over there. Patch is there. Oh.
Kasi na, nilayas!
Patch run away.
Maligo na ka na?
Wala pa, kanya pa taod-taod.
Ito ko rin sa kuwan, maligo. Ano iluto mo sinang? Ito, dali. Ano iluto mo?
Andrew is over here.
Ano iluto mo?
Andrew is over here.
Ano ba dito? Pas.
Andrew is over here. The Panda is at the door coming in. Panda came in. Panda came in the door. Panda is over there. Andrew is over there. So the tail of Andrew. The tail of Andrew is going up. Andrew went up. Going under the table. Andrew. See the tail of Andrew is over there. He went up underneath the table. Up the box.
Mama, ang pats.
Here's the Whiskas tuna flavor I bought yesterday. 1 kilo. 1 and 1/4 kilo. I bought yesterday 1 and 1/4 kilo for the cats. But sometimes Panda also eat Whiskas. I'll take a video of Patch. You see that? Bye-bye, Patch. Patch is going home already. Okay, Patch. Lahat sa'yo. Tanaw na ako. Close up. Dula ko lang. Patch will be 2 months old on Thursday. Maging 2 months old na. Patch will be 2 months old on Thursday, November 17. 2 months old na si Patch sa November 17. Mag 2 months na si Patch sa November 17. And akong aso si Patch. Dako si Patch. Dako yung aso. Dakong puppy. Yung puppy si Patch. Anak ni Panda o ni Agnes. Anak ni Panda o ni Agnes si Patch. Dako ni aso. Dakong aso. Malaking aso si Patch. Si Patch oh. Si Patch, two of the brother of Patch, two of the son of Panda, when they were born, they were colored brown. But when they were already 8 months old, their feather turned to color white, like their father Panda. So Patch has a white hair on his chest, and I think Patch, when he is 6 to 8 months old, will be colored white already. His feathers will, anong tawag dito mo? Balahibo. His fur will be turned color white. He will be colored white already. Because 2 of his brothers was born brown and they become colored white after 6 to 8 months. Si Patch, the son of Panda. Let's wait. Patch, when he's 8 months old, he will be white. If he becomes white. Okay, the father is here. Yan na, Em. Dala na dito, Em. Uli na dito. Uli na si Panda. Father is here. Panda is going after his son. Panda is going after his son. See that? Here's the probiotic pet food with rice. The cats love this. And here's the Whiskas tuna flavor. I bought yesterday 1 1/4 kilo. 1 1/4 kilo. I place it. I will always refill it when it's almost finished because later on they will come back and eat again. Andrew, Leslie, Lexter, and Leslie will just come here and eat later on. I have not seen Lexter yet, but they will Lexter today. Maybe he's on the neighborhood. Okay, on the neighborhood. He will come later on. There's my daughter Sheena eating her lunch at 2:45 p.m. Sheena May. Okay. See you. Okay, bye-bye. God bless. God bless. Bye-bye, Shin. Bye-bye. That's my daughter eating lunch at 2:45 p.m. in the afternoon. Eating lunch. My daughter Sheena May Argamino. And Sheena is hiding. My daughter Sheena is hiding.